Hi friends, welcome back to my channel India Fashion. I hope you all are well, doing good and doing great. Today I am presenting beautiful fine bob haircut ideas in this video. So, greetings is more important before starting the video. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel and watching first time my video, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all your notification of my latest videos. As you can see, I am presenting beautiful fine bob haircut ideas today in this video with chin length, with long length bob haircut ideas, with fashion hair color as well, with bangs and without bangs. And it depends on you that which kind of haircut and with which hair color you select for yourself. While I am presenting all the beautiful haircuts with fashion hair color which are going on trending these days for each type of personality, you can select your favorite one easily from this video according to your choice and ideas. So ladies, don't waste the time. Just take a screenshot or download the video from this video and take picture and go to your hairdresser and take this hairstyle as early as possible as you watch them. And after getting these haircut, you can also share with me through comment section that what kind of haircut you select for yourself. You can also share your ideas that what kind of videos you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video according to your choice. I am presenting all the beautiful hairs in this video, those haircuts which are going on trending and young and models are getting this hairstyle these days. After getting this hairstyle you also will feel like a celebrity and modern young girl, no doubt. These haircuts will enhance the beauty of your personality, no doubt, while you are beautiful already. You know yourself better than anyone else that which kind of haircut and hairstyle suits you. I am presenting all the hairstyles that can suit you and change the personality of yourself and enhance the beauty of your personality as well. These old hairstyles are really gorgeous that after getting them you don't need to style them for long time. After getting them you will be ready to go anywhere anytime, like functions, get together, to public places, to colleges, to offices. You can go casually, you can go formally, informally as well. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel, keep supporting me as well. Your support keep me energetic to make video for you guys according to your choice. I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic. Till then, take yourself. God bless you all and have a great hair day.